channel. Today I will show you how to trade using virtual money. Means if you don't have real money, you can learn here. Let's go. Let's type MoneyBhai. MoneyBhai.moneycontrol.com. By clicking here, you will go to a website called MoneyBhai, where here it is written where India learns to trade. Here MoneyBhai is a investing simulation game. Means it is a platform where you can learn how to invest using virtual money. You will be given rupees 1 crore cash in your portfolio account, and you have 1 crore limit, trading limit. Now let's log in. You can log in with Facebook or with Google. I will log in with Google. By Google login, you will go to our portfolio. Here is my portfolio where net worth is 1 crore 57,441, which I have gained. I have total of 1 crore given by MoneyBhai, and I have gained 57,441 by investing in shares. Now let's see my whole portfolio. This is the amount I have gained. In stocks I have invested nine stocks I have invested. I am not invested in mutual fund or bonds. Now let's see what stocks I have chosen. I have chosen Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Eicher Motors, Hindustan Unilever, Larsen & Turbo, Bosch India Limited, Maruti Suzuki, Siemens, and Shree Cements. I have taken 9 stocks, and with this I have gained a profit of today's gain 57,440.90. That is 1.43%. You can also invest in mutual fund here by just typing here, or bonds or fixed deposit. You can invest, or you can reset your portfolio and invest in new. Now let's see how we came to know that we have to buy that amount of share for that company. Let's go to NSE website, NSE India website. We'll go to equity stock. We will view as Nifty 50. You can view anything, auto sector, bank sector, you can view anything, but let's take Nifty 50. This is the chart of today's gain. That is the change percentage. That is IOC, it has gained 7.46. Wipro, this is the change percentage. You can change here also. You can see the loss percentage also. It will come up in the meanwhile. Now how to take shares. I came to know that I will gain in Bajaj Finance. I have invested 1,91,000 here. Average price I have bought it at bought the share at 1,910 rupees. And see the latest value. It has gained 42.65%. It has gained. How I came to know that? Let's see here. Let's see Bajaj Finance here. This is the Bajaj Finance share. The value is 1940.95. Bajaj Finance, and it reached the lowest point in 1783 on 27 May 20. So it has reached 1783. It means it will complete one cycle. It will complete one cycle. That is, it has reached 1783. It has reached, and it has gone up, and it will come to a point. It will reach 4923. It will cross it. I have bought the share in 1910. 1910. and it has reached 1940. Yes, 1940 means I have gained 30 rupees today. Now it will reach 4923. 4923 minus I bought it at 1910. 1910. For one share I will gain a profit of 3013. And see ISA Motors. ISA Motors, you will see here ISA Motors. This is ISA Motors. ISA Motors. It reached 12450. It's 12,450 on April 7. And I have bought the share in 16,024.15. You can see here. It will reach till 23,400. Now let's go to the calculator and see how much gain I will gain in ISA Motors. 23,450. It will cross 23,450 at 50 minus I bought the share in 16,024.15. 16,024.5. I will gain a profit of 7,425.85 for one share. I have bought 20 shares. So the profit I will gain from ISA Motors is 1,48,517. This is how you will came to know the power of investing through MoneyBuy. Thank you so much.